What tools do you use to conduct a manual audit? Our auditors use the same tools we've developed and offer customers: the Guided Manual Audit tool and RAMP's remediation tasks and Guided Audit Grid. Our manual audit tool contains manual and automated tests for every WCAG success criterion. It also includes helpers that highlight the elements in question. They assess every aspect of your website, including structure, navigation, content, forms, multimedia, and interactive elements. They also use DevTools to look at the site's accessibility tree. Results are delivered as remediation tasks outlining the identified issues, their impact, instructions for remediation, screenshots, code snippets, and examples. Results are also displayed in the Guided Audit Grid, organized by template. Each column in the grid represents a template, and each row represents a different success criteria. The grid provides a clear visual of your site's health and audit progress, while noting any pending remediation tasks. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.